Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add a VPN to your Brave browser. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your Brave browser. And as you can see here, we have a VPN that comes with Brave browser. You can use it if you want. As you can see here, we have start 7-day free trial, but we want to add an extension. Okay, it can be free. So go here to the top right and click on the menu. Then click on settings and find here extensions. Click on get more extensions. Open web store and here type any VPN you want. You can type free VPN or just VPN. For me, I prefer this VPN. VPN. Okay, it's free and it's good. As you can see, we have 8 million users. Click on Add Brave, click on Add Extension, then wait for a moment. Don't do anything. As you can see, this is our VPN. Okay, now click here and pin your VPN. Now click on it, click Continue, Start, and as you can see here, we have the Netherlands. Click on it and you can choose any country from this. We have France, Netherlands, Russia, Singapore, UK, and the United States. And we have these ones in the Premier version, as you can see. Okay, now just click here. And as you can see, VPN is on. If we go to my IP address, my IP address, this site, as you can see, we are in Amsterdam. For me, my country is Morocco. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.